Hello. Thanks for joining me today. I have a fun one. I'm making snowman. I love snowman, so you're going to see lots of snowmen this year. I am participating in Heidi Sonboul's DIY Christmas invite. I'm Sandy McKenzie, LumberMill DIY. I do a lot of DIYs on a budget. Let's go. I made this stencil. I designed it on my Cricut. I'm just putting some branches on the snowman. The snowman is a wooden snowman, and my hubster made it. My hubby Andy. He took uh, 3 cookies. He made one for the body, and one for the head, and then one for the hat. And he attached them all together with um, with screws. With an impact driver. And if you want to see him make some or cut them out at the sawmill, just let me know in the comments below and I will make a video of it. And then he carved up a nose and he drilled a hole and attached the nose. And I'm just decorating him now. So I'm putting 2 arms and you're gonna see me put some branches on his face. And then I'm just using plain or acrylic paint. And these ones you can leave them outside. They're really adorable snowmen. Um, and I'm just making some buttons on him right now. The host of this collaboration is Heidi Sonboul. If you don't know Heidi, you need to check her out. She does amazing DIYs and crafts, and she's just extremely talented. But the thing about Heidi is she's so caring, giving, and loving. She grows this community. Every Friday she does a friend hop or she has an open invite. She's just so sweet to grow smaller channels like mine. Heidi just is so inspirational. She she um she definitely brings out the best of you, and you just want to live the best version of yourself when you're around her. She's just so giving back to the crafting community and DIY community. Anyway, hope you check her out. And there's also a great creative playlist. It's all about Christmas, and yeah, you're gonna love it. So right now in my video, I'm just using the end of a pencil and I'm adding dots for the mouth. I used a stencil brush for the branches and the eyes. And I'm just using a flat brush for the nose, painting it orange. And then you're going to see me put on some berries. Oh, I got the hiccups. You're going to see me put on some berries. What I do is I take a paintbrush and I dip one end in red and the other end in white. And I just do little dots for the berries. I usually do like 3, 5, 7 berries because that's pleasing to the eye. And then I'm going to rip up some material for the scarf and rip up some material. I'm going to put a little hat banner. I'm going to get my electric stapler and staple on the flowers and the scarf and the hat band. So I hope you enjoys today's video, and I'll check in later. Love you, bye. So now I'm going to work on a Dollar Tree snowman. I just took this pumpkin sign and I'm gonna paint it white. And then I'm gonna draw some eyes. The eyes got kind of big on me, but that's okay. Done is better than perfect, so. And then I'm just going to use a wooden nose and a piece of wood for the hat, and I'm going to add some flowers, and yeah, let's go. And this is my house hound. She's Ella. She's a red bone hound. She needs some loving and attention. So I had to stop and give her a little hug.